Hey guys, I'm Varsha from Creative Corner by Varsha. In this video, I'm going to review the 7 brush pen that are currently in my toolbox. I will be showing you how this brush pen works. So I'm getting a lot of questions about what pen to use as a beginner. So you will get your answer at the end of this video, so watch it till the end. First I'm showing you a quick demo of this brush pen, then we will do few swatches and writing. The first brush pen is Tombow doll brush pen. It has two tips. One side you will get the brush tip and the other side you will get fine tip, similar like sketch pen. That is why it is called doll brush pen. The only problem with this one is if you use it on a low quality paper, its tip will get frayed. Second is Pentel Fude Touch, which is one of my favorite pen, but it is little costly. It's available in various shades and it is very useful for flourishing your letters. Third is Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. It has small brush tip, you can see. Next is Koi coloring brush pen. It is a big tip, but the pen is very handy and it cost around 100 rupees. Then the next is Sharpie brush pen that I recently bought, but I am not using this one a lot because of the big tip. I will show you the tip. It's very different and I feel the tip is too big for me. Then the sixth one is Camlin brush pen. I have already done 2-3 videos on this brush pen and I use this one a lot. You can see the tip. The last one is Dom's brush pen and this is the tip. So these are the 7 brush pens that are currently in my toolbox. So let's see how it works on paper. Starting with Tombow doll brush pen, I am using brush tip here. You can see the thin and thick strokes clearly. Next is Pentel Fude Touch. Now Tombow Fudenosuke, which is a very lovely pen for doing small details and flourishing. Then Koi coloring brush pen. Tip of this brush pen is similar to that of Tombow doll brush pen. Then I will show you Sharpie at the end. Moving to Camlin. It's quite good, but it's little difficult for beginners. Then Dom's brush pen. They have the same size brush tip as Camlin, but Camlin's tip is very soft. The last one is Sharpie permanent marker brush pen. So it has a big tip, so it can be used for big fonts. And as I have told you, it is a permanent marker brush pen. So on normal paper it will bleed like this. So you can use it for big projects, or you can use it on chart sheet or thick paper. I got this problem with only this pen. Now let's get back to our question, which is the best pen for beginners who wanted to learn brush calligraphy. Okay guys, so I see a lot of calligraphers use Tombow doll brush pen, and I also got craze for this brush pen from Instagram, and then I bought this one. These are my first brush pens, but right now I'm not using this much because I have already ruined 6-7 Tombow brush pen by using them on normal paper. So these are very good for calligraphy, for blending, but they are little expensive. So we are also provided with fine tip which we can use for calligraphy or drawing purpose. So this is a plus point. Let's move to the next one, which is Pentel Fude Touch pen. So these are my favorite pen, but it cost around 250 to 300 rupees each. So I have only two colors, pink and purple in this one. Koi coloring brush pen are affordable, and according to me they are average brush pen. I won't say that they are the best or worst. They are good for calligraphy. Tombow Fudenosuke is a must-have brush pen. According to me, everyone who is learning or want to learn calligraphy should buy this Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. It costs around 110 rupees each. I think you can have just one. It is very good for beginners, and it is also great for flourishing. Now the Sharpie brush pen, I don't find this one to be very useful. Then Camlin brush pen you can definitely buy. I have done detailed video and live session on this one. You can check it out. Only issue is that tip is too flexible, which is little difficult to control. Then same thing for Dom's brush pen. You need to control your hand for this one also. So you can start with Camlin or Dom's brush pen, but I would suggest you to have one Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen for flourishing and detail work. You can try different brush pens, and please let me know in comment section which is your favorite brush pen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.